To begin, navigate to the DDD dashboard and click on Create Domain Project. Enter the required details, including project name, domain name, description, and version. It is recommended to follow semantic versioning. Once completed, click Submit to proceed to the domain configuration canvas. Drag a subdomain from the left panel and assign it appropriate name. To create a domain hierarchy, drag and drop a subdomain below its parent. To add a sibling subdomain, drag and drop it to the left or right of the existing one. Then, provide a meaningful and appropriate name. Drag an entity from the left panel below a subdomain, name it appropriately using snake case. To create an aggregate, drag an entity below an existing one. The top entity becomes the root and others act as siblings. You can continue adding entities to the subdomain, making sure to name each one appropriately according to the business context. You can also duplicate an entity and assign it an appropriate name. Click the entity, go to the second tab on the right panel, and click the plus icon to start adding attribute. Use snake case to name the attribute appropriately. Check the box if attribute value is mandatory within entity. From the drop-down, choose the most suitable data type for the attribute. If the attribute should accept only predefined values, enter those values in the List of Values field. Specify the maximum data length for the attribute in the Length field. Provide a clear and appropriate description for the attribute. To view all entities in a subdomain, select the Entities option from the left panel. Entities appear on the Entities panel and their attributes on the right. Click the plus icon next to the entity name and choose Add Attribute. The Add Attributes panel opens on the right. Enter the details and click Save to add the attribute. You can duplicate an attribute, update the details in the panel on the right, and click Save. You can also upload an Excel file with attribute details to add attributes to the entity. The template for the Excel can be found in the menu that appears when you click the plus icon. If uploaded attributes already exist, choose between Add Unique Attributes or Replace All to proceed. Continue adding attributes to all entities in the domain project to ensure they reflect valid business entities. Use any method shown in this video to add attributes. After adding attributes, publish the domain model to enable engineering project creation.